Hello YouTubers, this is Dead Simple Ali with another video. In this video I will be unboxing this USB-C triple display docking station with power delivery by Plugable. I bought this on Amazon for £179.95 UK pounds sterling. Let's start by looking at the box first. At the front of the box you have the name and the photo of the docking station along with some of its key features. This allows you to connect 3 monitors on supporting system, enables USB-C power delivery up to 60 watts, have a gigabit Ethernet and an audio input and output jack. It also has the logo of the display link, which is a technology that allows you to attach multiple monitors to one PC. On the side, it has a system requirement table. This is a Windows and Mac compatible, deliver power via USB-C, works on Windows operating system 8.1 or higher and Mac OS 10.1 or higher, has alternate mode video output, a display link video output, and it requires up-to-date drivers and full duplex Ethernet connection. On the other side of the box, it has a list of contents: one docking station, one USB-C cable, one power adapter, and a quick installation guide. On the top, it has the name and the front view photo of the docking station, while at the back, it has the name and the rear view photo of the docking station. At the bottom of the box, it has specifications and description of ports and connections. The host interface is USB-C, has a USB-C to USB-C cable, video output 1 via HDMI, video output 2 via HDMI black, and video output 3 via DVI VGA. It is USB power delivery compliant. We will look at the ports and connectors later on when we look at the docking station itself. In addition to that, there are details on how to get help, and that is about as far as the box is concerned. So let's go ahead and open the box. The first thing we see is the docking station itself. Let's put it to one side for now and see what else is in the box. We have one power cable with European 2-pin plug, we have another power cable with 3-pin UK plug, we also get a VGA adapter, a USB-C to USB-C cable which looks like Thunderbolt compatible, and we have a power brick which is a decent size. So let's take it out of the bag and see. It's important to note that the output wattage is only 65 watts, which means that it will charge most of the compatible tablets and laptops under light use. But if you are using it for something like Surface Book 2, it may struggle under heavy gaming. So please do bear that in mind. Let's see what else is in the box. The last thing in the box is the documentation. We have a quick start guide which is in different languages. It describes the various ports on the docking station, both at the front and at the back. And it also includes the key features of the dock and the instructions on how to set it up. There are contact details on it in case if you need support. There is also a little handy card with details on how to get help, and there's also a discount code. So let's put the box to one side and take a look at the docking station itself. So this is the docking station. It has a nice sturdy feel to it. It also comes with a built-in stand, which is good. It has some information about the company on it. At the back, it has 3 USB 3.0 ports, a gigabit Ethernet port, an HDMI 4K port, an HDMI 2K port, a USB-C to host, a DC power jack, and a DVI port. On the side, it has a bunch of logos and something that looks like heat vents. However, they are actually not heat vents, they are just part of the design. At the front, we have an audio output and input jack, a USB 3 port and a USB-C port which can be used for charging. Overall, it has a very nice finish and it feels pretty solid. So to wrap things up, this is what it comes in the box. A docking station, the power brick, USB-C cable, DVI adapter, and 2 power cords. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Take care and bye for now.